Unlock a flood of motivated seller leads and find incredible wholesale deals with the power of SMS marketing and batch leads. First, we need to define our target audience. Think about common problems homeowners face that might make them eager to sell quickly. This could include absentee owners with vacant properties, inherited properties, divorce situations, or even pre-foreclosure lists. Batch leads can help you find these specific types of property owners. Once you have your target list, we move to crafting your message. Simplicity and directness are key. A good starting point is to introduce yourself as a local real estate investor interested in purchasing properties, and ask if they're considering selling. Keep it friendly and non-intrusive. For example, "Hi, owner name. I'm a local investor looking to buy houses in your area. Are you considering selling your property at property address?" Automation is where batch leads truly shines. For SMS marketing, you can set up automated follow-up sequences for those who don't respond immediately. This ensures you stay top of mind without constant manual effort. A second message, a few days later, could reiterate your interest and provide a direct phone number. For example, "Hi, owner name. Just following up on my previous message. If you're open to discussing selling your property, I'm happy to chat. Call, text me at your phone number." The third step is about building rapport and making an offer. If a seller responds positively, engage in a brief, friendly conversation. Ask open-ended questions about their situation and their property. The goal is to understand their needs and see if your offer aligns. Once you have a potential lead, remember to present a fair, below-market value offer that allows for a wholesale profit. Finally, persistence and tracking are crucial. Not every campaign will hit the mark, but by consistently analyzing your results within batch leads, refining your messaging, and reaching out to new lists, you'll inevitably uncover motivated sellers and secure your next profitable wholesale deal. Start texting your way to real estate success today.